Hey guys, this is Justice here, and I'm making a slime video today. God, my hair is so horrible. Yeah, so making a slime video. This is my first time making a slime video, or even making like slime that's actually good. So this is basically gonna be like a slime test, because I'm not good at making slime. So if it turns out good, that's good, but it's probably not. It's probably gonna turn into a fail. So yeah. So, what we're going to need today is we're going to need dish soap. Any kind of dish soap is fine as long as it's dish soap. I wouldn't use hand soap because I think hand soap has different like products in it. I was going to say ingredients, but has different products. So just use dish soap, any kind of dish soap. If you want color, add like paint. Most important, you need glue. Do not use like super glue because that's bad. Use school glue. Latex, or no, not latex, like eye solution. Or like contact solution, that's what it is. Not eye solution. A bowl and a spoon. I don't even know if we're supposed to use water. Maybe I should have looked that up before I started making this. I don't think you do, because I didn't see water in there. So yes, a spoon. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to add in there is glue. Let me open the glue bottle. And let's add some glue. I'm just going to make a little. I don't want to make a lot. So yeah. There's different kinds. If you add shaving cream into this, it'll be like, I don't know how to, like, you can stretch it out. You'll see it after I make this. And then second thing you're going to put in is dish soap. So it just depends how much you want for how much dish soap you use. Then you're going to mix it up. I'm not good at making this. It's probably going to end into a fail. I'm just saying. Oh, yeah, okay. And then, I think this is last of all. Or contact solution. So just squirt some in there. Then just mix it all up. This is gonna go so badly. But yes. Oh. Oh my god, this is hurting so bad. Now let's just keep mixing it. Let's see how it turns out. Maybe add a little more glue, maybe. I don't want this to be like a 15-minute video because some people's videos are like so long, and I don't like when people make their videos so long. Just get straight to the point and everything. So I just talk while I'm making this slime because I don't like people just waiting for me and everything. So, yeah. Oh, this is like a fail. Let's see if we add it. Ooh. Oh, dang it. Yeah, this is a total fail. Fail. You know what I should add? Maybe I should add a little more dish soap. Water. Maybe if I add water, it'll turn out a little better. Just let's keep this here. Yes, okay. I'm not that famous. Well, I'm not famous at all. I literally have like 7 views and like 1 subscriber. So I just got a cup. Maybe I should add water. Maybe it'll turn out a little better. Ooh, maybe it's turning into something now. Ooh, it is getting thicker. Ooh. Why is it so white in the camera and it's green? Look at that, guys. It's like white in the camera, but like in real life it's green. Because I have green dish soap. So weird. I don't know. Maybe it's because I don't know. Oh my gosh, guys. This is turning into a total fail. Like, I suck. I'm a horrible YouTuber. I just suck at life. That's a total waste of glue. Fail. 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 Just fail. Fail. Yeah. It's a fail. So yeah, guys, there is my slime video. Well, maybe if I add something. Wait a second, guys. Wait, it might not turn into a fail after all. Let me wash my hands, because that's just full. Okay. It might not turn into a fail. Let me just point this here, and let me get just a little something. Maybe it won't turn into a fail after all. Oh, here it is. Our friend borax. Maybe I've seen people like have water and then they mix up borax. Maybe that's our problem. We need water and borax. So yeah, maybe that's what we're missing. Let me get another cup. Well, I could just use this cup and do that in there. Okay. So we're gonna put some water. Don't use a lot. Just don't use a lot. And oops, I missed. I missed a lot. that was pretty funny. Okay. So just mix that up. And then you know what we're gonna add? We're gonna add some of this. Oops. Let's add it in there. So, guys, maybe it will turn into slime. Ooh, it did. Oh, kinda. Oh my gosh, guys, it turned into slime. Oh my god. This is my first video, and I actually made slime. That's so crazy. Guys, I actually made actual slime. It actually turned into what I wanted it. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. It's so squishy. Oh my gosh, guys, I made slime. Oh, it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop. Guys, I made slime. At first, it was turning into like a total fail. And then like, oh my god. Maybe it's because I needed like borax, because maybe I forgot about it. I don't know. So actually, it did not turn into a fail. So guys, this was a test thing, and it turned out perfect. I made slime. So, yes. Okay, everybody. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Give this a big thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either one, your choice. So yes. I'm not that famous. Oh, well, I don't know what I'm talking about. I mean, I'm not famous at all. I'm a horrible YouTuber. So yeah, I've just been getting slimes off of slime videos. Yeah. This turned in so well. Okay, guys, I already said it again, but I'll say it again. I already said it, but I'll already say it again. Okay, give this a big thumbs up or a thumbs down. Well, please give me a big thumb up, but if you don't like it, then thumbs down. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think and what I should do for my next video. Bye, guys.